Though Florence was tempted by prospect of a brilliant social life and marriage, she had a stronger strain that proved to be wit and independent child.
Are you all right?
Yes, I'm okay, Miss Florence. But your father will get mad if he knew that you are here.
Come along, Florence. This place is not for you.
Oh. Father, these people who work for you, they are sick.
I take care of them the best I can. It's not of your concern. Is that understood?
Yes, Father.
One day, she heard a call from above. She was struck by the light. She saw the sunlight that's so bright, too bright, and a voice, really a voice. She was being told that her life belongs to God. Nightingale was courted by a politician and poet named Richard Monckton Miles, 1st Baron Hutton.
Florence, you must know by now that I trust everything that you believe in.
I thank you for that, Lord Miles.
Florence, I love you.
I love you too.
Will you marry me?
You're so wonderful, my lord. But I can't.
But why?
Last day I heard my calling. Marriage will only destroy my chances of serving God's call.
I understand. But remember, you're the only woman that I love.
Florence! Do you know what you've done?
Yes, saving myself from something I do not want.
You told me you love him!
I do!
Then marry him!
I can't! I don't want to be treated as a piece of furniture. All I want is to do more in my life than to become a wife of an aristocrat.
Think about it, Flor.
Oh please, I've been offered a job as a superintendent of a hospital in London.
I refuse to allow it. I'm so sorry, my daughter.
I'm upset of you becoming a nurse, Florence, which you never agree to. I will not allow you to disgrace yourself.
Calm down, Mother. Calm down. Florence, do you know what goes on in the hospital? No, maling character.
Enough!
I'm old enough to make my own decisions. I'm not asking for permission, only your blessing.
Despite of opposition from her parents, she was trained as a nurse and began to work in a London clinic.